The Trio Zip Bag is a compact crossbody designed to open wide and keep everything visible. The zipper extends all the way to the bottom of the main compartment, which gives you instant access to the spacious bag. It has a slip pocket and 6 card slots. It also has a 3D front zipper pocket for quick and easy access. And there is a vertical zip pocket on the back, which keeps your valuables secure. You can carry it by the top handle or switch to the adjustable strap for hands-free crossbody comfort. I made a few variations of the Trio zip bags using different fabrics and prints. Some I mixed and matched the fabrics, and others I used the same fabric for all of the exterior. I love to see the different looks and how the different fabrics give the bag a new vibe.